What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones for Free, back again with another informative video. I want to talk to you guys about a specific application in mind that I don't know how many Samsung users use, but it doesn't come pre-installed in your phone. I don't know why Samsung doesn't do it, but I think they should pre-install this app on Samsung devices, whether it's the phone, tablet, fold, flip, the PC, the Chromebook, whatever. This application is called Samsung Music. Now, why am I choosing Samsung Music? It's free. It's for free. But in order to get this application, let's go back to the home screen. You got to go to the Galaxy Store, Galaxy App Store, that is. All right. Once you upload it, you have to search for it, I think. So you have to just type in the word music. And it should be the first one that pops up. Samsung Music, Samsung Electronics Co. I don't know why it's got a 3-point star rating. I don't know if the screenshots don't do any justice. Maybe it don't, maybe it do, but it is what it is. Now, this is an application that you could customize the music. You could change the titles. You could add your own music to this application, as well as music you download from websites and things of that sort like that. It doesn't look like they updated the screenshots, but let's just open the app again. All right, so you agree with the Spotify playlist or Spotify setup. So I'm signed into my Spotify account. So basically, whatever I listen to on Spotify, it will also appear on here. But the thing is, in order to, let's say I wanted to, I don't know, let's say I wanted to play hip hop controller, it'll open up the Spotify app. Okay. So it doesn't play it right from Samsung Music, but it shows you your playlist, as you can see. Let me get back into that app. All right. So this is the main app. So you got this tabs called Spotify, then you got favorites. All right. And it shows you the top favorite songs on Spotify, as well as your custom playlist or songs you downloaded from websites and installed. Then you got your playlist. Okay. Then you got tracks. Then you got albums. Whatever, like name the albums you downloaded from the internet or a different application. And I think artists would be your original. Now I got all these extra tabs like genres, folders, composers. Okay, as you can see. So what you want to do is, so as you can see, it got a little plus button. So you want to add more to the playlist. You can create your own playlist. So I do have my own personal playlist down here at the bottom. It says Two Phones playlist 1. So this is just an example of the playlist, and I can favorite or I can add more songs. If I want to, I can say select all tracks. Done. Boom. Now all the songs are on this playlist. All right, my personal playlist. Okay. Now you got custom order. All right, you got name, artist, things of that sort, and then you got settings. Add tracks to top playlist, bottom of playlist. You can cancel that. You can repeat. You can play. Then you got more settings. See, this is why I think this app is underrated. It's so many settings in here, so much customization. You can even change the cover image. So you want to change the cover image, you go to your camera, you go to your gallery. I'm not going to do that, but I'm just showing you guys what you all can do. You can rename it. So you can rename it. Just say let me go Two Phone for Free playlist. There we go. Boom. You can rename it. There you go. All right. Now you got sound quality and effects. So this is the cool part right here. So you got Dolby Atmos. It says auto. You got Dolby Atmos for gaming. It says get realistic Dolby Atmos sound automatically when you play games. You got equalizer. I have it on normal, which you can change it to pop. And as you can see at the bottom, the meters change. You got classic, jazz, rock, and you can customize. So you can make any type you want. So we're gonna stick it with pop because I think that's it. It'll make it pop. Then also you got UHQ upscaler, enhance the sound resolution of music and videos for a clear listening. I think you need your headphones in for that. All right. So you got adopt sound, find the best sound for you. All right. So you got your ears are unique. You may be more sensitive or less sensitive to certain frequencies of sound compared to other people. Okay. So your hearing varies with age and may even differ from your left ear to your right ear, which in my case it does. In my case, I have that situation. All right. It says adapt sound gives you perfect sound that's tuned just for your ears. It works whenever you're wearing headphones. There you go. So you need headphones, folks. Apple, Google. You need headphones. Okay, adapt sound for calls. You can do that as well. So you get media and calls. You get only media. You get only calls. So I got it for media and calls. Choose a preset that matches your age or try a hearing test to get fully personalized sound. Okay, you got off, no, excuse me, for all the notifications in the morning time. So you got under 30, change that, and then they give you different options. They show you all the different meters, preferred ear for calls, left, sound, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really have any hearing in my right, so that makes sense. Same way we're here, if I want to choose 30 to 60 years old, boost high quality frequency, you can preview it. It is what it is. Okay, but you need your headphones in order to test all these settings. And then, so that's the cool stuff. Let's just go into like this main portion. Now, when you play the music, it glows like this. Background glows. It changes different colors while the music is playing, which is cool. Then you got your repeats, randoms right here at the bottom. You got your play. You got your fast forward, skip. All right, then you got your favorites, as you see the little hearts. Then here goes a quick shortcut to other songs that you could choose from that's in your library. All right, then you got add. So you can add it to the playlist, create a new playlist with that song that's been played or most recent. Up here at the top, you got smart view. So this is a dope thing, right? You can smart view from any smart device. You can do it from like your Roku. You can do it from your Google TV, whatever you got. And then, of course, you got your volume. And then, of course, the equalizer. My bad. And then right here, you got the share. You got track details. All right. They don't know for sure exactly what genre is. You can change that yourself. It's track number 16 off the mixtape. Format audio and MPEG. And you got your size, format of the song, the music. And then what album it came from, or mixtape, this is Mixtape Guide 11. Then right here, you got the search. So you can search with YouTube and Google. So you can search this. Let's give that a try. I never did it. Let's see what happens. And it would show you, music videos or music that this artist has made and uploaded, as you can see. And right here, it got videos. So there you go. It's showing you videos. Looks like it's been on Beethoven. Well, it says Beethoven. So then you got images of the artists. News. You got news. So, I mean, it's a lot of cool features and functionalities with the Samsung Music application. I think nobody really talks about. I'm giving you guys the breakdown. So it says allow Samsung Music to modify this audio. Interesting. Let's modify. Allow. Okay. Oh, okay. Just, If it doesn't give you the exact, let's say we gonna type trap. Let's say trap. Let's say. So okay, here we go. There we go. Now we got genre. All right, let's get back to it. All right, let's go back here. Then it shows you album, artist, set as. The set as, you can set as from the beginning. Play selected, highlights only. Play selected part. You got phone ringtone. You can make it your ringtone, caller ringtone, alarm tone. There you go. All right. Then you got delete. You delete it if you don't like it. You don't want it on your device no more. Then you got settings again. So you got sleep timer. You got play speed. You got cross fade. Now that's a cool feature, like the cross fade, cause like it go from one song and then it start easing in and out to the next song. You know what I'm saying? So you won't have no like empty spaces in between. You got smart volume, automatically adjust each track to the same volume. You got skip silence between tracks. You got control music from lock screen. I have to do that in another video, but you got queue settings, play all songs. You can play selected songs. Then at the bottom, you got add top, add to bottom, add after current track. And then this is where I saw all them extra tabs at. You got Spotify tab. You got favorites. Let's go in. You got Spotify. You got favorites, playlists, tracks, albums, artists, genres, folders, and composers. All right. And then you got allow external devices to start playback. Okay. And yeah, man, I'm telling you guys, Samsung Music app is underrated. In my opinion, it should be on all Samsung phones and devices, and it should be, I mean, of course, it's for free. One thing I would like Samsung to do with the Samsung Music app is integrate other music applications like YouTube Music, Tidal, Sirius XM, Pandora. Okay, I think them my top 4. They could add, and all you have to do is just be signed into your account, and all your favorite like albums and playlists, they'll all pop up in the Samsung Music app, as well as like music you download from, livemixtapes.com, my mixtapes, or DatPiff, if anybody still use that, or SoundCloud. Oh, that'd be even another one, SoundCloud. Okay, so that's my 5: SoundCloud, Pandora, YouTube Music, Sirius XM, and that's it. And you have all your music, like they got Spotify. You have all your playlists, top songs, top music of the week, day, whatever it is, and it'll be right here on the home screen. But y'all let me know about Samsung Music. Did you know it was for free? Excuse me for them notifications. Did you know it was for free? And you gotta go to the Galaxy App Store to find it. All right. See, they even show Sirius XM. So, and I'm gonna do a special video about accessibility for hearing, and audio, and stuff like that. And I'm gonna do some more videos about Shazam, how to integrate Shazam with your Samsung device or any Android device or iPhone, however you want to do it. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below.